Hi children, have you all ready to learn science? Yes, come to the lesson, come to the new topic. What do animals eat? That is, food habits of animals. Now we are going to see about the food habits of animals. Different animals have different food habits. Based on their food habits, animals are divided into three groups. There are herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Now let me see about the herbivores. Herbi means plant, vor means eater. So herbivore animals eat only the plant food. Example: cow, buffalo, donkey, deer, elephant, squirrel, butterfly, giraffe, etc. These are the animals can eat only the plant food. Such animals are called herbivores. Now let me see about the special characteristics of the herbivores. Herbivore animals have flat and broad teeth, flat, blunt and wide and broad teeth. Then only it can easy to chew the grass and plant materials. The broad teeth easily help them to grind the food. That is, grind the grasses easily. And these blunt teeth is help them to pull out the grass from the ground. Herbivores such as cow, goat, buffalo, these animals have a special character. That is, it can first it can chew the food and swallow, and then again it is coming taking it back and then chewing again the second time. Then it swallow. Then only the intestine of those cow and buffalo can absorb most of the nutrients. Okay, because the grass item is very hard to digest. So it is again chewing them, then again it is swallowing. Such process is called cut chewing. These animals are called cut chewing animals. Okay, children. Next one is squirrel. Do you all know about squirrel? Always squirrel sitting and gnawing with their front teeth. Gnawing is nothing but eating with the front teeth. It has front sharp edged teeth in each jaws, so it can easily gnaw their food. A squirrel's food items are mostly nuts, so it can gnaw their food. Next one, butterfly. Butterfly does not have any teeth to chewing their food, but they have straw-like mouth, and from that it can suck the nectar from the flower. That's all about the herbivores. Next one is carnivore. Carnivores animals can eat only the flesh of other animals. It has sharp pointed front teeth. It can use it to tear the flesh of other animals. Okay, children? And carnivore is nothing but carni means meat or flesh. Vor means eater. So it can eat only the flesh of other animals. Example for carnivores are lion, tiger, jackal, snake, cheetah, then what? Panthers. These are all the animals are called as carnivores. The next one is special characteristic of the carnivores. Carnivorous animals, we know that it has sharp pointed teeth. It helps them to tear the flesh of other animals. And it has sharp claws. Claws and powerful jaws help them to eat the flesh of other animals easily. Carnivorous birds such as eagle, hawk, they have curved pointed beaks to tear the flesh of other animals. Next, carnivore frogs and chameleon, they have long sticky tongue. Look at the picture, children. Chameleon, it is chameleon. It has long sticky tongue. It can catch the insects easily. The next one is carnivores fish. Carnivores fish such as shark, whale, these uh, uh, these fish have very sharp teeth and it can bite the chunk of flesh. It can eat the other fishes and other even shark can bite us if you are going to the place where the shark lives. Okay, then carnivores such as snakes, it can swallow their prey is nothing but the food of the animals which they ate. It can swallow it easily. You can see in various places and look at the picture. It can swallow the rat easily. Look at the picture. Yeah. The next one is omnivore. Omni means all, vor means eater. Omnivore animal can eat both plant food and flesh of other animals, so that it should have both type of teeth, that special teeth, that it has broad teeth as well as the as well as some sharp teeth. Now some examples of omnivore animals are bear, dog, cat, crow, even monkey, and human beings. Some birds such as crow. These are all the animals or the examples of omnivores. Now let us see about the special characteristic of the omnivores. Bear, bear and human beings have different types of teeth that I already said. Is it? We can eat both, even vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food. So they have the special type of teeth. And omnivores birds, crow, it has sharp and pointed beak. It helps them to eat the variety of foods. You can notice that crow can eat food items such as rice, nuts, and even grains and all. Sometimes it can eat the dead animals and insects, rat, everything. Is it? So it should have special type of beak because it can eat both plant food and as well as the flesh of other animals. That's all about the food habits of animals. Now let me see about the special type of animals. Those are called as scavengers and decomposers. Scavengers. Who is called as scavengers? Yes, we usually use it to say the people who are cleaning our surrounding are called scavengers. That is called the people which is collecting the garbage and cleaning our streets and cleaning our restrooms. These people we call those as scavengers. Now, some animals are also called as a scavengers. Let me see who are the scavengers animals. Now, let us learn what is scavenger. Scavenger is nothing but cleaning the surroundings. How can they clean the surroundings? They are cleaning the surroundings by eating dead animals. Some animals can eat only the dead animals. Those animals are called as scavengers. Example for scavengers are vulture, eagle, even crow. These are all the animals can eat the animals have already dead. So it is called as a scavengers. Next one is by decomposers. What is decomposers? Decomposing. What is decomposing? If you put any biodegradable things in the soil, within 5 to 10 days it will decompose. How can it decompose? Because of the microorganism present in the soil. Some of the microorganisms are bacteria, fungi. These are all the microorganisms. Microorganisms are nothing but organism which is very very small. It cannot be seen on our naked eye. Such organisms are called microorganisms. These are the microorganisms are very important or very essential to decompose any biodegradable materials. Some organisms, look at the picture. This is a bacteria present in the soil. This is one of the microorganism. Microorganisms can be the reason for the decomposition. Now, uh, decomposers. Who are all the decomposers? Fungi, bacteria. These are all the decomposers. These microorganisms only feed on and degrade. Degrade means it make it compose on dead plants and animals. Then it is mixed easily with the soil. These are called the decomposers. Together with scavengers and decomposers, play a very important role in our nature. Without these organisms, our plant would not be clean. If it is not present, our plant is filled with dead plants and animals. Okay, children, that's all about about today's topic. Learn this lesson and read the lesson carefully and write the assessment it is given in the Google Docs. Thank you, children. Thank you very much.